In the center of it all, Bedford gives you something rare, a place that keeps you connected to everything while preserving a hometown feel. Right here, in the heart of the Metroplex, you're perfectly positioned between Dallas and Fort Worth, with easy access to Highway 121, 183, Loop 820, and 360. Whether you're heading to the office, catching a flight, or planning a night out, everything feels within reach. DFW International Airport is only 10 minutes away. Downtown Fort Worth is about 20 minutes, and Dallas is just half an hour from home. But Bedford isn't only about convenience. It's a community that people genuinely want to be a part of. Mature trees, established neighborhoods, and an easygoing atmosphere that create a sense of comfort the moment you arrive. Throughout the year, the city comes alive with local events that bring neighbors together, from the Bedford Blues and Barbecue Festival to outdoor concerts and seasonal celebrations. There's always something happening that makes this city feel connected. When summer temperatures rise, families cool off at the Bedford Splash Aquatic Center. One more reason this area continues to attract homeowners looking for both energy and balance. You'll also find plenty to explore close to home. Local shopping, dining, and entertainment are woven throughout the area, while destinations like Bedford Boys Ranch Park, home to the city's annual 4th Fest celebration, and the Old Bedford School showcase Bedford's unique character and strong sense of community. Bedford's highly desirable location continues to attract families, professionals, and longtime residents who appreciate being close to everything while still enjoying the comfort of an established community atmosphere. Families also appreciate access to Hurst-Euless-Bedford ISD, a district known across the region for strong academics, powerful athletics, community pride, and long-standing traditions that continue to shape generations of students. Bedford offers something many cities try to create, but few truly achieve: connection, convenience, and a sense of belonging. In a location this desirable, life simply moves a little easier. And that's what makes coming home here feel so special.